In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. To begin, make sure you are on the home page of Adobe Acrobat. From there, you'll want to locate the PDF file to which you plan to add the link. Whether it's an existing file that you've previously worked on or a new one that you've just created, it doesn't matter. Simply open it up. If you're just getting started and need to create a new file, you can do this easily from the home page before we move further. With your PDF opened, let's focus on finding the linking tool. You can do this in one of two ways. One option is to use the search bar. Type in link, and Adobe Acrobat will highlight relevant tools for you. Alternatively, you can look for the link option directly within the toolbar. Different versions might display the tools slightly differently, but the link option should be fairly noticeable. Once you spot the link tool, go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a few different options to appear on the screen. It's designed this way by Adobe to ensure you can select from a variety of link types or styles that suit your specific document needs. Now, to actually start adding the link, you'll want to click on the Add or Edit a Link option. When you do this, you'll be given the ability to choose which area of your document you want to become interactive with the link. Simply drag your cursor to highlight the specific text or image that you'd like to function as a link. This is handy when you want to direct the reader to an external website, other pages within the document, or trigger an email. After selecting the desired area, a dialog box will usually appear. In this box, you'll have several options to refine the attributes of your link. For example, you can determine whether you want the link to open a web page or perhaps navigate within the document itself. You may also have options for customizing the look of your link, such as adjusting the border color or style, offering you further control over the visual impact the link will have on readers. Adding links is a straightforward task once you get the hang of it, but the flexibility it offers in enhancing your documents is remarkable. You can direct readers with just a click, linking them to additional resources or related information, which can significantly enrich the reading experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to add a link to your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me today, and I encourage you to experiment with these features and see how they can be applied to your own projects.